Hey, this is Rick. I want to give a big shout out to Superhairpieces. This whole journey for me has really been life-changing. I've been wearing their hair systems now for a couple of years, I guess, and I want to tell you that there's life after bald, and I wasn't too happy with bald. Didn't think that a hair system would really, work very well, because we all know the image we have in our minds. But it's good news, that is changing. And just this very week, yesterday, as a matter of fact, I had a client that I was talking to, and something came up about my hair, and he said, "What are you talking about?" I said, "Oh, didn't you know, Tony?" And he said, "No, what?" I said, "This hair is a hair system. It's not really my hair. I'm bald." He said, "There is no way, literally no way, that's not your natural hair." And I said, well, I pulled up a picture. I'm gonna get rid of that before picture. That thing's scary. And I showed him, and he said, "That's just unbelievable." I had another customer come in who said, "Can I take a picture of that?" So she got in really close and really zoomed in on that hairline. Look at that hairline, guys. I mean, seriously, really? And I said, "Sure." So she took a picture because she told her friends about my wearing a hair system and how that you could literally absolutely not tell, and none of them believed her. So she said, "I've got to have a picture of you so I can show them just how realistic and real this looks." And when I'm standing there and I'm running my fingers through it, and I'm, and the wind's blowing it and all of that, and they're just going like, "That's just insane." So anyone out there that is questioning a hair system, can I do it? Is it difficult? How much does it cost? Is it worth my time? Well, yeah, it is. It's worth my time. For me to just tell you, for this hair to be on my head, yeah, it's worth my time. The hair from Superhairpieces is healthy looking. This, I can blow it all over my head, and it looks healthy and vibrant and shiny. But Superhairpieces does a great job of sending you hair that you can work with, got just enough body in it or it'll do what you need it to do. So if you're on the fence about it, come on, take the plunge. It's really actually kind of fun. So everybody take care. This is Rick signing out. Have a very great day. It's gonna be a good one.